So I got this mower, looks pretty rough. This is all rusted out, paint's peeling. I mean, it's very flimsy. I noticed that when I picked it up. There's a spider crawling on the handle right there. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it starts. It looks like this cable broke where they zip tied it on there. Not sure what they did there. If you haven't seen one of my previous videos, it's me trying to race myself to see how fast I can fix a mower. So I'm going to go through and see how fast I can fix this. I guess we'll start the clock now and we'll see what's wrong with it. We'll see if there's any fuel in it. There is a fuel switch on there. Oh, it's full of fuel. This is on. I guess first thing's gonna be is just try and start it, but that looks pretty dirty, nasty in there. That's gross. I don't see prime bulb or anything anywhere. So it's probably just an automatic choke mower. Oh wow, that's not gonna work. Oh wow, I just broke that handle right there. So is that? Oh. Alright, I'm no longer racing myself to see how. Oh wow. Alright, this thing's got a lot of problems already. Alright, let's get this pull cord off of here and just see if I can even get this to wind back up, because it's caught on something obviously. So what's not grabbing? Is this all wore out or something? So that pulls out. Something's getting caught. Is it this? This whole thing looks wore out. I just cut my finger. So this works. Just don't work on this. Does this turn? Okay, so this has to grab and catch onto this somehow. This thing might run. If I could actually pull the cord, I need to switch this out. Broken zip tied on here. Slide this off of here maybe. Grab my parts mower that I wasn't planning on using yet, because that's all rusty. I was going to take it off and stick it on there. This will go in here. Now we're going to try and zip tie this onto this somehow, I suppose, right? So they did it, sorta. We will put this in here. Now we'll zip tie this, or move the zip ties up over this to hold it. That's how they had it, or something like that. Ugh, come on. Alright. Oh, I just broke this one. Will it start? Yeah, no, of course not. Alright, this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna fully tighten these because I want it to re-ravel up when I pull it. Alright, let's see if it'll start on carb cleaner. Well, it starts. That carburetor probably needs cleaned really badly. Alright, let's clean this carburetor. Alright, I did go ahead and grab a couple of these after pulling it outside. I'm going to turn the fuel switch off. I'm going to pull all of this off to get the carburetor off. Or at least just to clean the carburetor. Looks pretty gross. Not sure how all this works, so I gotta keep an eye on how it's on here. I'm just take a few of these and just start cleaning some stuff. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to take the bowl off and see what this looks like. Oh, feels pretty bad. I can smell it. Okay, everything seems clear. That's why you use non-ethanol fuel. That thing's full of stuff. I just put all the carburetor and everything back on this one. I'm going to turn the fuel switch back on. I don't know if it's on correctly or not, so I'm going to try and start it and go from there. I did kind of have all the fuel drain out on me, but I don't know if this is getting pulled back or not either. I think it is. Ooh. Oh, I need that thing here where I can just do this. This cord's kind of short. So it does run a little bit. Oh, maybe this stopped it. I gotta open the garage. Subscribe! Yeah, there's snow on the ground. It's cold. Hopefully the cold's not what ruined my cameras in that last video, because this is gonna be a quick video otherwise. Oh. Might still have something wrong with it. Man, I don't want to pull all this back off of here. I'm gonna have to though. That carburetor needs cleaned better. There must be something I'm missing on this carburetor. I'm just pulling it off. I wonder if this is a jet. I mean, it's just like a screw though. I've never seen a jet look like a regular screw, so I don't know if this is maybe like a air fuel. This is not a jet, but this looks like it should be cleaned out through here. Maybe this is like a jet. I don't know if I have a... this might fit through here. Guess I'm going to take the bowl off. Did I not take all this apart? I must not have cleaned this at all. This doesn't even look like I cleaned it. What did I do? That's clear. That's clear. That's clear. Alright, well I guess I got to pull this off and make sure this is clear. Something should spray through here. I know this does, but I don't know where this sprays down to. Put it back together. Alright, I got to get all this back in before I forget. Not forgetting anything. I am forgetting something, the gasket. Or maybe I'm putting these through first and make sure I get everything on here. Alright, now I just gotta get this breather hose back on. And I think I can't believe I didn't clean that the first time I took this apart. Did I not? That would be crazy, right? Fuel switch on. Now let's take it outside and see if it runs. Well, would you look at that? It runs great. It is smoking. I don't remember how the oil was. I just remember there was oil in it. It is very cold too. It could be that. Like there's oil in it, but other than I do want to engine swap it, I'm not going to do that in this video. I left the other frame out in the snow and it's covered. So I'm going to end this one here. If you guys want to see me fix more things or try to fix more things, subscribe. Here's a video that you might not have seen, so go check that out and I'll see you guys in the next video.